The story of Colonel Sanders. The true life account of Errol Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, is an inspiring and motivational story of success despite many rejections. Sanders was born in Indiana in 1890 and worked a variety of odd jobs to support his siblings after his father's death. At around 40 years old, he began cooking and selling fried chicken out of a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky. He developed his own blend of 11 herbs and spices, and after that, his business grew steadily over the next few decades, leading to the creation of Kentucky Fried Chicken franchise. The story of Colonel Sanders portrays perseverance and determination even in the face of numerous setbacks and obstacles. Sanders refused to give up on his dream of creating a successful fried